This is going to take you through the trickiest of the general gas equation calculations where you're trying to find the second temperature. So we're told an initial volume and temperature and pressure, and we're told a final pressure and a final volume, but we're trying to calculate T2. So let's just get everything down here. So we've got P1 is 110 kilopascals. We'll leave that as it is for the moment. V1 is 3.7 meters cubed. T1 is 47 degrees Celsius. Right, that's going to have to be changed into Kelvin. So if we add in 47 plus 273, so we've got 320 Kelvin for the second temperature. On the other side, we've got P2 is 140 kilopascals. Now, that's the same units as that, so we can leave those both in kilopascals. We don't need to change that. Second volume is 4.2 cubic meters. Again, that's consistent with the units on the other side, so I'm not going to change those. And we're trying to find T2 in degrees Celsius, but we'll have to get T2 in Kelvin first before we can do anything else. So, write down the equation. P1V1 equals over T1 equals P2V2 over T2. Put the numbers in. 110 times 3.7 divided by 320 equals 140 times 4.2 over T2. That's the thing we're trying to find. Okay, so that's our unknown. The difficulty is it's got to be on its own, but it's got to be on the top. Okay, that's the key thing with trying to calculate the variable, calculate the unknown in an equation. So what we're going to do is multiply both sides by T2 and also multiply both sides by 320. So we've got 110 times 3.7 times 320 times T2 there, divided by 320, equals multiplying the other side also by T2 and 320, 140 times 4.2 times 320 times T2 divided by T2. T2 cancels, 320 cancels. So we're left with 110 times 3.7 T2 equals 140 times 4.2 times 320. Now we want T2 on its own. It's on the top, that's okay, but now we need it on the own. So we're going to have to divide both sides by 110 and by, sorry, we're going to divide both sides by 110 and also divide it by 3.7. So divided by 3.7, I'll do that just in slightly different order. Here we go. So divided by 110, divided by 3.7, and over here divided by 110 and also by 3.7. Over on this side, the 110 cancels, the 3.7 cancels, and we're left with T2 is equal to 140 times 4.2 times 320 divided by 110 times 3.7. Okay, so put that in the calculator. So it's going to be 140 times 4.2 times 320 equals, because we want to get the top line first, and then divide it by, and it's important that you put this into brackets, because you've got to have both bits on the bottom, otherwise your calculator will accidentally multiply rather than divide. So that's in the brackets at the top there. If I press equals, then we get an answer of 462. You might think, great, that's our answer, but unfortunately remember that's Kelvin temperature. What you've now got to do is finish off the job and subtract 273 to give you degrees Celsius. So T2 is 189 degrees Celsius, and that would be your final answer.